to do at 15 Crestview Drive in Belchertown is move on in. This beautiful brand new home completed in 2020 is bright and a welcoming experience from the moment you walk in the front door, with its dramatic entryway that flows right into a modern floor plan designed for how you live. This is 2,700 square feet of newness, a blank slate paired with a neutral palette that's ready and waiting for your decorative touches. The kitchen is dressed up with stainless steel Samsung appliances, quartz countertops, and custom cabinets by Kurt Piper. They've even figured out a way to make clever use of the cabinet that's over the refrigerator. Quality craftsmanship and attention to detail is evident in the 6-inch baseboards and 4-inch trim with cornice top around the doors and windows. No carpet here, only solid oak floors in a rich mocha color, and fine porcelain ceramic tile extend throughout this well thought out 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. And with an additional room that would make a perfect office. The expansive walkout basement is ready and waiting for your finishing touches and is large enough to suit a variety of needs, including a very nice in-law suite. Certified by a third-party home energy rater, this home has exceeded the energy efficiency for standards and requirements with a HERS score of 51. What does that mean for you?
Lower utility bills, of course.
So make sure you schedule your tour today because newly built homes don't last long. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're
your real estate professionals.
And until next time, happy house hunting.